Hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $6,292 level. We are currently ranked at 257 with a market cap of about $211 million. So today we are going to be looking at the AI price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So for YFI in the last 1 week, the price of YFI was up 11.9%. So without further ado, let us push to the chart right here. We are on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta on the 12-hourly time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So for YFI, as you can see, last week we made a video right saying we could see a massive impulsive push for YFI towards the $6,000 level, and as you can see, price even went above our AI price prediction, or above the level our AI predicted. We went as high as 7,800, and as you can see, even though we have seen that pullback, our AI continued to remain bullish right here on YFI, expecting higher price targets. As you can see right here, our AI is expecting for this week, we could still see prices break above those $7,000 level into those $8,000 level, potentially seeing a 40% push to the upside. So we could be seeing YFI at those $8,000 to $9,000 level. $8,000 to $9,000 level right here for YFI. Remember, our AI uses what we call predictive analytics right here, which means it makes use of all of the past data right here for YFI. It computes it and tries to forecast what we should expect, and is forecasting that potentially this week we could see that 40% push to the upside. So let's see how that pans out, as our AI is very bullish and it's usually right 80% of the time. So we continue to expect to see prices at those $9,000 level. So that's the update right here on YFI. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.